Hello, this is City of Markham's backflow prevention. In this second video, I will show you how to submit a test report for a device which replaces an existing backflow preventer recorded in the city's database. Go to www.markham.ca, click Neighborhood Services, click Water and Sewer, and find on the page Backflow Prevention Online Services. Click on it. This video is for scenario 2 for test reports. Scroll down and click Submit a Backflow Preventer Test and Inspection Report. This is the Registered Qualified Person login page. Enter your account ID, which was provided to you by our department after you completed your initial registration. Certification number is your OWWA number. Click Login. This is the current registration information page. Confirm all certificates and their expiry dates are correct. If any certificate is expired, the system will not allow you to submit any backflow report. If you see yes in red here, you need to submit us an updated certificate. To send us an updated certificate, please check the first video for scenario 1. If all your certificates are up to date, scroll to the bottom and click the Next button. Now you are on the test kit and facility information page. Select a testing equipment you used. Enter the facility ID. Should be provided to you by your customer. Click the Check Facility ID button to ensure the facility address is correct. Enter facility contact information. It cannot be your name, your company's name, or your company's phone or email. Click the Next button. The Next button will not work if you forgot to enter data in mandatory fields or forgot to click the Check Facility ID button. Now you are on the device selection page. From the list, select the device that has been replaced. If you selected an incorrect device, click Reset Device Selection and select the correct device. Click the Replacement button to open a pop-up window. Enter all the information required for the replacement device, the new device. Click Confirm to close the pop-up window. Once you click the Confirm button, the system will bring you back to the device selection page. Please note, at this stage you should not click any button other than Next. Otherwise, all of your data entry for that replacement device will be gone. Click the Next button to enter the test data for the replacement device. Now, you are on the test data entry page. Ensure the backflow device information on the page corresponds to the replacement device. Select Test Type from the drop-down menu. It can be only an initial test because the device is newly installed. Enter the static line pressure. Enter the test date. Enter all required test data. The system will determine the test result based on your test data. Scroll to the bottom and click Next. If your test failed, please check the video number 1 for detailed instructions. Now you are on the confirmation of test report page. All of the data you entered before will be displayed on this page. Review your data before submitting the report. Your company's email address in the city's database will be default for receiving our response. If you need to use another email, click No and enter a new email. Click the checkbox to agree with the City of Markham's Terms of Use and Privacy Policy and click the Submit button. We received your test report. Now you are on the test report submission received page. Click the Next Testing Report button if you wish to submit test reports for another devices in the same facility. Click the Another Facility button if you wish to submit test reports for devices in another facility. Click the Logout button if you completed your submission. Click the Backflow Prevention Program Online Services homepage button if you wish to submit other types of backflow reports. This is it now. Wait for a response email from us. If you have any questions, please contact us at backflow@markham.ca. Thank you for watching.